Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share this healthy spaghetti and meatball recipe with you, so stay tuned to the end of this video. Don't go anywhere to see how I make it. I am using lean beef mince and I am going in to add my favorite spices. Guys, you can add your favorite spices that you like to use. Then I'm adding some Parmesan and flaxseed, which is high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. I'm also adding some mozzarella, garlic and onion. I will go in and add 1 egg, as well as some soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and also some milk just to keep it hydrated, because the flaxseed will make it quite dry. So guys, I'm just mixing that together and I'm going to form a bowl just like this. Then I'm going to pop this in the oven. The oven is preheated and I'm going to bake that for about 30 minutes on 175 degrees or until it's brown like this. This is going into a sauce, so I am happy the way it is. If you just want to eat your meatball with something else, like with chips or whatever you want to eat it with, then watch this video right up here. So guys, I have added some coconut oil to my pan and sauteed my onion. I am adding some tomato paste and I'm going to fry that until it's no longer bitter. That will be for about 8 to 10 minutes or more. I am quite happy the way the sauce is now at the moment. I am going to go in and add some diced tomato and my spices. I will list everything down below in the description box. I am giving that a quick stir, then I'm going to cover and let it cook slowly on a medium-low heat for about 12 to 15 minutes or until it's softened, just like this. The sauce is so super easy and straightforward. You don't really need to do much about this sauce at all. So guys, I have also added some vegetables. You can add any vegetables of your choice, anything you have in your pantry, you can just go ahead and use it. And I'm just going to make sure everything is combined. At this point I'm going to add a little bit of water, and you can taste for salt or add some more spices if you need it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add the meatball in here to let it cook. I will cover and let it sit in the sauce for about 20 minutes and let the whole sauce and spices infuse into the meatball to make it extra mouth-watering. And after that, I am just topping that with a little bit of mozzarella cheese. This is absolutely optional. You don't have to use it. So I am just going to let that sit for a few more minutes, and this is how it's looking. I'm going to go ahead and add some olives. Again, the olives are optional. You can add whichever other vegetables you want to add at this point, but if you don't want to, that's absolutely up to you. So guys, that is it with the sauce. You can add more vegetables to make it look more healthy. I'm going to put that aside and get on with my pasta here, or spaghetti rather. I have added some salt to the water and let it boil. Now I'm adding the spaghetti. I am making sure to continually care for this spaghetti because I don't want it to stick together and I don't want it broken. So that is why I am handling it with care as I go along. And as you've noticed, the water was boiling completely before I placed my spaghetti in it. I don't like spaghetti or any sort of pasta that is cooked too soft. I like it to be al dente, that I can still feel the bitiness in it when I'm eating it. If you cook it too soft and too much, you are just losing all the nutrients in it, so there's no need. I am going to let this boil or cook for about 12 to 15 minutes, okay? And of course, I'm doing that on medium-high heat. You can cook it more than that if you want. It all depends on how you like it, really. So my spaghetti is almost done. I'm going to drain the water out. I will reserve some of the water for later, and I'm just combining that with the sauce here. So guys, it's all done. So I'm just gonna get on and start serving this hot. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, to support your girl. And guys, if you do have anything in mind you want to let me know, don't hesitate to contact me and I will gladly respond to you. Bye bye for now.